everybody to I believe this is episode 32. Smart money to blockchain freedom. I can actually double check if it actually is episode 32 because I've got here episode 31. Oh, it's episode 32. Yes, I'm right. So awesome. So let's get back to my best website for brand new people. Welcome to my channel, a Smart Money Challenge. I'm doing a challenge of 122 videos. This is video number 32. And we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency and blockchain. And today's date is the 5th of October, 2025. And the blockchain industry at the moment is booming. Yes, it is. And I believe we got an all-time high with Bitcoin today. It's sitting at $123,000. And let's go ask ChatGPT. Did BTC hit all-time high today? Let's have a look. Let's see what ChatGPT's got to say about this. Yes, look at that. So, what does it say? Yes, it looks like Bitcoin hit a new time high today, peaking around $125,000 for one Bitcoin. How cool is that, right? So we'll go back here. This is why this is such a cool website, coinmarketcap.com, because here it lists all the top cryptocurrencies, so you can do your research. Okay, and imagine if there's a term called dollar cost averaging. So let me ask ChatGPT here. Let's just ask a hypothetical question. Okay, if I start to dollar cost average now for 5 years, what is the potential if I save £100 per month? Let's have a look, just for fun, right? So dollar cost averaging is when you buy consistently over a 5-year or 3-year period, every single month consistently. You set and forget, basically. So good question. Let's walk through it clearly. We'll calculate what could happen if you dollar cost average £100 per month into Bitcoin over the next 60 months, 5 years. Okay. So basic setup, a monthly investment, total investment is 6,000, right? So conservative growth is 10% per year. So then you're looking at 1,700 profit. Moderate crypto cycle per year, then we're looking at 5,600 profit. And scenario bullish year, we're looking at 17,000. So risk note, Bitcoin high volatile. In some 5-year periods, BC returned 1,000%, but also minus 70% from peaks. That's why the dollar cost averaging works while it smooths out volatility over the timing, trying to time the market. Yeah. Takeaway. So yeah, it gives you the table. So this could be quite interesting, right? And we've also got another token that I'm promoting if we go back to cryptocurrency. But before I do that, why don't you, if you're new to crypto, why don't you just click on Bitcoin, right? And go look at the chart over when it started. So you can look and go all the way back here when it was like $685. That was like, that's 10 years ago, right? Let me get about 10. Okay, exactly 10 years ago. So there we go, about exactly 10 years ago, $230 for one Bitcoin. 5 years ago, what was it? So that's 2000. So we're looking at what? 2000, we're looking at about $13,000 for a coin. So now you can see the power, and you can actually do your own research, right, into the price and into dollar cost averaging, buying a little bit over a long period of time. And you can look at the top 10 tokens, right, in cryptocurrency and dollar cost average into one of them. Okay. You can even look at Ethereum, for instance, and dollar cost average into here, because I mean, you can go 5 years back here. what was the price 5 years ago? And the dollar cost averaging is so powerful, 366, now it's 4,500, because it's not like you're timing the market. You're buying consistently over a 5-year period. And then you come to the token that I'm promoting, which is the APTM token. And why am I promoting it? Well, it's only 7 months old. It's already ranked 484 out of 9,485 that's listed on CoinMarketCap. It's already got a profile score of 92%. And also I had a chat to ChatGPT and asked it a question. I said, let me go, yeah. What is the potential rewards of dollar cost averaging purchasing the APTM token over the next 3 years? Okay. So at the moment, the price is $1.15. And what did ChatGPT have to say? It said, dollar cost averaging into APTM, the native token of the APTM blockchain, offers exposure to both token emission scarcity and ecosystem expansion over time, which is good, right? While DAO1 does not offer fixed or guarantee returns, obviously, it's crypto. Several on-chain roadmap factors define potential dollar cost averaging rewards and risk behavior. So let's have a look here. You've got token emission and scarcity. APTM follows a Bitcoin style halving emissions every 125 million blocks. So it's every 4 years. The APTM token is also halving its supply, okay, which is awesome. Then you got 50% of the total supply is emitted within the first 4 years, as I just said. Okay, this means dollar cost averaging participants that enter now are buying during the highest emission and the lowest average cost. You see, because it's going to get scarcer and scarcer every 4 years. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that. And also, the good thing about the APTM token is it's linked to the APTM blockchain, right? And we got our own dApp sitting on this blockchain, which is called DAO1. Okay, and here we got products that are absolutely fantastic. Because how cool would it be if you could dollar cost average into the APTM coin, okay, with a AI trading bot? Who would that be? Okay, so you've got an AI trading bot that will trade for you on your behalf on automatic. You don't have to sit by your screen. You just buy one of these packages. They start from $100 and they go all the way up to 10,000. I'll leave some links below and show you how you can get started. And then you've also got a mining bot that can actually mine the coin as well for you on automatic. So you've got two things working for you on automatic, and it's dollar cost averaging this coin for you, right? And of course, yes, you can use our DEX. You can do, when you actually get an account, you can use our DEX and you can just swap USDT for the APTM token as well. Some of our team members call it a cappuccino a day effect, and you could just accumulate that way as well. And then if you're really, really smart, you could also go and put some capital into the liquidity pool, which is a decentralized wallet, which means you own the keys, you own the funds. It's a community-based, decentralized, no third parties. And when you want your money, you can take it out 24/7 anytime. And if you look at it, it is a pair. Okay, you put in a bit of USDT and a APTM. But if you look at the interest rate at the moment, 33%, right, per annum. So you actually can have like 3 things working in your favor. I've got a nice little image to replicate that. Yeah. So you got your mine bot that's mining the token for you on automatic AI. You got your chain trade bot, your crypto trading bot that's buying low, selling high, accumulating more APTM tokens. And then you got the liquidity pool where you can put some capital in the liquidity pool and also just swap the coin from USDT into APTM and gather more APTM that way as well. Cappuccino a day effect, right? Blockchain and cryptocurrency right now is really booming. And I don't want you to be caught napping. You know, have a look at what I'm doing. Grab some of these APTM tokens. Obviously, there's no guarantees. Okay. I got this awesome image here of a train. Okay. The blockchain train is coming, right? Don't get caught napping, right? Get involved or get run over. This train is coming. And I'd say the next 3 to 4 years, 5 years is going to be an amazing ride. So get yourself some of these APTM tokens. Look at the top 10 coins, get yourself dollar cost average into some of them as well. And then you can also get some APTM tokens as well. Put it on your high risk portfolio, and diversify into crypto. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be back for episode 33 tomorrow, and have a wonderful time, and bye-bye.